Assalamu alaikum, myself Azad from RV Junkie. How are you guys doing today? Well, guys, today we are unboxing Hugo Boss bottle or a perfume. Let's see what this bad boy holds a punch, what kind of a punch, and fragrance community. And soon I'll be providing you with the honest review. There you go, Boss bottle or the perfume. I like the bottle and the juice color. And the best part is they also mention the entire notes on the box. That's the best part. Okay, I thought it was a metal, but no, it's a plastic. So the entire review will be on my channel.